I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Phew! Thought for a minute there I was going to have to do some machining on these end housings here. Keep it simple. Always look for the simplest reason first. Takes me a while to get around to that train of thought again. I don't do this enough anymore. Okay. Might have a spring that dropped down out of position. No, it's still in there where it belongs. Wave spring. There, we got it fit up. So when you take a motor apart, make sure you put it back together again the way it came apart. Even though this one couldn't go back together again the way it came apart, had to be 180 degrees out. That means I had to flip the housings, these grinder housings. I had to flip the wheel housings. That means that this would not have fit no matter what I did. Okay. So by rotating the housings, I was able to bring this around to a working position by moving that switch. Okay, once burned, twice learned. Mark things so that you know where they go. Probably would have helped to do this when I first started the disassembly. Get out my Horror Freight number stamps. And this side is going to be called number 1. with this. Now we'll mark this end housing with the same number that I marked the bell housing and the motor frame with. There. Now we'll do the same over here. I'll mark this side too. There. That's on. What, hon?
I'm gonna make a salad for lunch with turkey on it. Would you like one?
Yes, I would.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, if these were vitrified wheels, I wouldn't want to tighten them this tight. seeing as how they're not. And this pin is really stuck in there. I need to get those out and get them cleaned up. That put an edge on that tool just about perfectly. No chips. This cuts really fast. And this one polishes. Well, it was a long haul to get there, but boy does that make that job a lot faster. No more setting up the diamond stone in the wood lathe, and no more, well, the diamond wheel in the wood lathe, and no more having to do it by hand. This is going to be really great. Just today, I have 11,500 subscribers. That's a lot. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate every one of you that signed up. Makes it so that my videos get shown to a lot more people. The more subscribers I have, the more people get to see them. Any of you new guys out there that haven't subscribed, take a second and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell. That'll let you know when the next video is coming up. On a regular schedule, I try and put one up every day. Monday through Friday, it's noon. And then Saturday and Sunday, it's 9 a.m. Barring any unforeseen difficulties, you know, there's always camera glitches and computer problems. There'll be one there every day. So I'll be looking for you tomorrow and the day after. Well, near as I can tell, I have a diamond wheel grinder now. Do have to set up some water. It doesn't spray water all over the place like I thought it would. It actually keeps it on the wheel pretty good. And it does a great job of grinding carbide. I don't know about stone or glass or anything else. I'm told that's what the diamond wheels are also used for. This one was packed full of tiles, so I'm assuming somebody cut tile with it. But mostly I'm going to be using it to sharpen carbide tools for my metal lathe back here. And if you go back and look, you can see that I've been struggling with sharpening carbide tools for years. I have developed all different ways of either using hand diamond stones or Harbor Freight cheap grinding diamond discs, and just tried all kinds of things on it. I've even sharpened them on the standard grinder with a brown wheel on it. It doesn't work well, but it does work. But now, all that's over with. I mean, I can sharpen up a chipped carbide cutting tool with little effort at all. And I haven't even got the water set up. I was just spraying it with simple green. So I'm real happy with the outcome. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.